What up YouTube? Welcome back to What I Wish I Knew Wednesday. Before I roll into today's topic, let me remind you guys real quick to hit the subscribe button if you are yet to already, and also hit that notification bell just for fun. Have you ever found yourself in a position where you just recently edited a photo or a video that you put a lot of time into, and now you're wondering how to get it into your hands so you can put it on a platform? Well, most people might think email is the best idea. Something I think works a little bit more efficient is called Airdrop. And what this feature is, it's on all Mac and iOS devices. And it gives us the ability to share any files within one click of a button. So say you upload your photo through email to send it to yourself. What that email is gonna do is compress your file so it can send that whole file at ease. So what Airdrop does is it won't compress your file and sends the whole file to yourself. A reason why you want to avoid compression is in the end you lose quality of your image, so it doesn't look the same as when you're just done editing it. Another nice thing about Airdrop is you don't have to plug in your phone to get the video or photo files that you want to put onto your computer. You could simply select all of the photos and videos that you want to upload and put them right onto your computer with a click of a button. You just avoid the hassle of having to plug things in and upload it through manually on the computer. It's easy to send photos and videos to another person who has an iPhone. All you have to do is get them to go into their settings and turn on the Airdrop so you guys can send the files in between each other. So I found Airdrop to be helpful with certain clients because I was able to send final videos and photos within a click of a button. This is a nice cherry on top if the person that you're working with doesn't know about the Airdrop. You gave them the product quickly and they learned something new at the same time. Airdrop also makes it easy if you're like myself and you have a desktop and a laptop. You can send laptop files right to your desktop and vice versa too as well. So if I'm working on a project and I need something from my laptop, I can easily go into there, hit the Airdrop and share it over back to my desktop, and I'm right back into my editing flow. So that's gonna wrap up today's topic. This is something I really wish I knew when I first started out because I wouldn't have lost so many high quality photos and videos. Leave comments below if there's anything you wanna know. Share this video with somebody who you think it would help, and like the video if you did. I'll see you guys next Wednesday. It's the Creative Fro, and I'm out.